Redline Outdoors. This is my YouTube channel. My name is Adam Sanderson. As you can see, I just pulled out of work. Just got off from the fire station. It's knocking 6:45 and I'm about to meet my friend Timothy McQuillan. And we are about to head to the Ouachita River here in North Louisiana and try our luck with the big crappie or little crappie. It doesn't matter to me. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is the type of content I put out. Just hunting and fishing stuff, redneck stuff like that. If that's stuff you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, the notification bell, so you can get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. So I'll meet y'all out on the water here shortly. Alright y'all, we have arrived to our first fishing spot. We had a little boat run, but this is my buddy Timothy McQuillan, and we're about to start off here shortly. And we are going to be we're going to start off using this jig head right here. Timothy, what jig head is this?
It's a 1/8 ounce bonehead disco jig head.
Okay, and then we have a 2.5 inch bonehead blue ice.
That's a finesse minnow bait.
Finesse minnow. That's a 2.5 inch bait, so that's a little bigger than most people are used to using, but
it really matches the minnow hatch very well out here. From what I was seeing, it's gonna be almost identical to what they're feeding on size wise.
Yeah. All right y'all, there's that bait right there. Similar to a flute. This is made by Bonehead. 2.5 inch blue ice, and they come 16 to a pack, and it's made in the USA.
This is all open water suspended fish. When you see a crappie, more than likely he's going to be doing like this one right here. There's a little bit of blinking going on, but you see the difference in how he's sitting and how these fish are moving.
Yeah.
All these blinky moving fish, those are not target species.
I got you.
That's about a 10-inch crappie right there.
Okay. Spoonbill right there on that screen. He's coming straight to the top. Right over there.
I had a good look at him a while ago. He's gonna get sideways now.
He's turned sideways.
There he is.
Yep.
It's a pretty big fish too.
Yeah, it is. Break the ice, dude. Come on. There we go. Oh, no. Dang.
Operator error.
That was a good one, too.
Operator error. He did get the finesse minnow.
Yep.
But I just didn't make it happen.
That's all.
That's all right. At least we know they'll bite. There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go.
Broke the ice. Old paper mouth. Look at there. On the bonehead. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Nice keeper. He ain't a giant, but he's a perfect eating size. That's right. That's what we want. She didn't jack around.
Down just a tiny bit. Right there. Start eating it up real slow.
Ah, he hit it too. Dang it. I think I pulled it from him.
He's still there. Let's see if we can get his attention again. Pick up a little bit. Pick up a little bit. All right, hold it still. You got him.
I thought I had him, but then he just kind of sat there. I didn't want to pull it from him again.
Oh, he liked it.
Yeah, he did. He bit it twice. Be still, boy.
And I mean, notice them fish are relatively small, but that 2.5 inch bait don't bother them one bit.
Not one bit. Look at that. That's still that bonehead blue ice. Perfect size for him to eat.
What I was catching yesterday.
Most people were scared to throw a bait that big, but he bit it twice. What was that, a 10-inch fish?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, he liked it so much he ate it 2 times.
He ate it 2 times. But I'm gonna go over real quick with what we're using again. This is an 1/8 ounce bonehead.
Disco jig head.
Disco jig head. It's not made by Bonehead?
It is Bonehead, yeah.
Okay.
We just call it a disco. It's got that paint on it.
I got you. It's a Bonehead disco jig head, 1/8 ounce. And then we've got a tungsten weight here. How much weight we got there?
That is a 1/4 ounce tungsten.
1/4 ounce tungsten, and we got a bobber stop on each side of that bullet weight with braid. So I'm using a Dobbins Hyperlight Special, and this is a 12-foot 2-piece rod, medium heavy action. This is pretty much a live scope rod, and this is just a bait caster, Origin 1-3. Gear ratio and all that really don't matter, but this is a 8-1. That's pretty quick.
Got a lot of boat movement going on, but he not speed. Alright, get it on right there. There you go. Hold the rod tip up high and go right. Right there. Pick it up just a hair. We're gonna drift right over the top of his back. Pick it up just a little bit more. Go a little bit left. There you go.
Come on.
Got him.
Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Got him.
These river crappie got a little bit more energy than those Darbone crappie.
Yeah. Hopefully we get on some big ones and you really get the feel for them.
They're not the ones that we've showed it to hadn't messed around.
Yeah, that's what I love about it.
Alright y'all, we are at our 3rd spot right now. I think we've got 3 in the boat. Just hadn't quite found the numbers that we're looking for, but the fish that we have found pretty much they've bit, so we just need to find them.
Right there.
That's a gar. Oh boy.
Doo-doo. Lift. Oh, he coming for it.
He's got it.
Oh, they like these.
Oh, son. Oh, needle nose gar.
They love a jig.
All right. Okay. All right. There was another one with him too.
He's still right there. 5 feet.
Oh, he didn't like that at all.
Like it, but he's still down there. Let's see what he does. Yeah, he's a knife in there.
Here, give me that. I'll put him up. You keep your eye on them fish. Got him. Pretty one. Another one on the old bonehead.
Now you get him caught.
I hope so.
Coming back up like that. Maybe the recipe that I needed.
Come on, baby.
Oh,
dang it, dude. He went back down.
He's still here, though. Let's see. He may not know what happened. Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes you just let it sit, baby.
Wow.
He wanted that minnow.
He wanted that sucker.
Yeah,
he hammer it.
He got it.
He hit it twice. Y'all look at that. All right.
He wanted it.
In the top of the mouth, son. He wasn't coming off.
He was not coming off.
All right, we're headed to hole number 4. Let's see if we can get him there. We're averaging about 2 fish per hole right now, so. But the fish we have put the bait in front of, they're in the boat.
What's up? Let's see what this fish is all about right here. 40 feet out there.
You're going right to him. All right. That's a little better one, son.
How about that?
Swallowed it, boy.
Little 40-foot cast. So, I can get him to be still here.
Right there in the mouth, son. He swallowed it.
He liked it.
That's the kind we like to eat right there, boy.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Thin and crispy. Yep. Watch it. There you go. There he is.
Yep.
That was a purpose release there.
Purposeful release. We don't want him in the boat. Not today.
He's still fishy.
25 feet. All right, there you go. That's more better. Come on. Yes!
Oh man, that feels better.
Finally. I wasn't even recording.
That's all right.
Just kidding. Yeah, boy.
Man, there's another one out there.
Yep. All right, y'all. We're about to call it a day. It has done got hot. It's about 12 o'clock right now. So our wives shouldn't be too mad. We hadn't been gone all day. So appreciate y'all tuning in to another episode of Redline Outdoors. Timmy, appreciate you bringing me, brother. Let's get on them another time. And we'll catch y'all on the next video. God bless. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Hit that like button and notification bell. And we'll catch y'all on the next video. Y'all have a good day. Bye.